Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruhina from Ruhi's Recipes. Finally, after 4 months of lockdown, I went out with my kids. Here curfew was lifted few days back. I have been out to buy groceries and other essentials, but those times I left my kids at home. But today I took them out. I do feel guilt after roaming, but then it was very much refreshing to see some people out and having a bit of normal life, but with mask and gloves on. So coming to where we went, this is another market. It's the biggest market in Deira, Dubai. Here you get fresh fish, meat, veggies and fruits, and also clothings and home decors, etc, etc. You can find items from 5 dirhams to 1000 dirhams. So I thought I could take a tour along with me to this shop. And in this vlog, you also have something more to see other than this market. So do not miss them. And also, please subscribe and extend your lovely support. This video was captured on Friday. We usually wake up late on Friday as it's a holiday here. We started after our Jummah prayer. Summer is at peak here, so you cannot stand out even a minute outside these days. Now let's explore the Dubai waterfront market. That's Hamur fish. Lot of small fishes here. I really don't know those names. These are big shrimps. And then here is the shark. We get fishes in supermarkets, but those are frozen and I don't like them. So whenever we feel like eating fish, we head to this market. These are sardines, matti fish. It's one of my favorite fish. There is more than 500 stalls like this selling fish. The prices will be same in all these stalls. You can buy whichever looks fresh for you. These are cut kingfishers. They also sell fish heads and eggs separately. You have to pay in cash to the vendor and stall directly. They don't support cards. This is a fish cleaning area. There is a separate queue for ladies. They really do nice cleaning. For 1 kg they charge 2.5 dirhams for cleaning. They also clean shrimps well and nice. Now we head to fruits and vegetables market. So it's summer here. We have watermelon season. So you could see whole bunch of watermelon and muskmelon. You can even see non-seasonal fruits also here. The price of the vegetables are same like in supermarkets, but then here you get some fresh veggies. These are variety of dates. In my hometown I know only the lion dates, but only in Dubai and Saudi you could see this many varieties of dates. They have different color, different texture and different sizes. This is a fresh juice shop inside the vegetable market. Now to the meat. We have variety of mutton from all over the countries, from Oman, Australia, India and Pakistani muttons. They also sell parts of the goats here. There is also chicken section, but it was already time so I couldn't explore you that. These are some shops outside. Here you could see clothings from 5 dirhams, 10 dirhams and 20 dirhams. They look good and it's affordable as well. And this was my favorite. These frames were really good. They really had a very good finishing. But a small one cost 50 dirhams. Some dresses, they were like 60 dirhams each. This is the center of the market. It has design like fish shaped structure. This was one of the oud shop. They sell attars and different smell of ouds and fragrance. I bought one small attar bottle from them. They really did a very good packaging. 10 dirhams is a minimum thing here, but for that they did their best package. That's it with the Dubai waterfront market. Then we headed back to home. For lunch we ordered a pizza while we were on the way to home. And this filled our lunch. I couldn't take a pic of what all I bought, but whenever I do a recipe I will show you or I will tell you. We were back home by 3:30 p.m. We planned to call his brother for dinner. His family is in India, but then for a change we decided to cook food and take to his house and eat there together. I first started with chopping the onions and tomatoes, but then my husband took over that as it was already time for preparation. I washed the fishes and prawns and started to marinate them. We bought a hamur fish. Big fishes are not difficult to clean, so it didn't take much time for me as I already got cleaned from the market. This is very simple fish fry. I'm just adding chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt and ginger garlic paste, and then marinating the fish pieces separately. I also cut some small fish pieces because my husband likes the fish even to be boneless. If we say they chop like that in market itself and give us, but lot of flesh will go waste, so I didn't do like that. I instead cut myself some pieces. Then I started for making the shrimps fry. These shrimps were already clean in the market. I just washed them and took. To this I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and half teaspoon of homemade biryani masala powder, and lastly quarter tomato puree and 1 lemon juice. Tomato puree is for getting some masala. If you don't want the masala, then you can avoid it. I let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. Next I put the rice for soaking in water. I am cooking today like half kg of rice. I plan to make kushka rice today. I will give the recipe of that separately. Nowadays I am adding the whole garam masala spices to the soaked rice because that imparts some nice flavor. I plan to make mutton paya for gravy. This was bought from the market. It has been a year since we ate this gravy. These mutton legs has to be roasted for making the gravy. Only then the gravy will taste good. The recipe of this gravy also I will add later, but I have just given the glance of what all I added. Then for prawns fry, I am adding 5 tablespoons of oil and then adding the marinated prawns. Just fry this for 15 to 20 minutes. If required, add little water to get the shrimps cook faster. When you're lazy and you want to cook something quick, you can go ahead with this recipe. Next I started to prepare the kushka rice, which is served in Muslim weddings. This is really an amazing, nice flavored rice. You will have the feel of eating biryani when you have it. It's a very quick and easy to prepare. I will upload this recipe also separately because if I add to this blog, the video will become lengthier and I don't want to bore you all in this video. I also fried the fish on other side. My husband got my kids ready, and by that time I got the picture of what all I cooked. So we packed up the food and reached his home by 8 p.m. We had some fun and dinner there and got back home by 11 p.m. I couldn't take pic of what all I bought. I have just included a note here with the prices so that you can have some idea. So that's it about the day. I felt very much good after this day out. But then stay home, stay safe is all that comes up in the mind. I hope this situation will change soon and we all will have normal life again. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like my recipes and vlogs, please like and share to your family and friends. And also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much and bye everyone.